How to delete DeepSeek AI account. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your DeepSeek AI account. So let's get started. I'm doing this on iPhone, but if you're having Android, the steps would be similar, so you can just follow the same steps. And if you're using it on PC, you can also follow similar steps. So first of all, you need to open your DeepSeek AI account. So just click on DeepSeek AI application, or just click on DeepSeek AI website, and after that you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So what you're going to do is click on these two lines over here at the top left, and you'll be able to see all of your recent chats over here. So what you're going to do is click on your profile icon here at the bottom left, and after that you'll be redirected to your profile settings. Now here, what you're going to do is you'll be able to see an option that would say delete account here at the bottom. Now if you wish to log out to your account, and if you wish to just save all of your progress and all of your chats, you can just simply click on logout, and after that your account would be locked out, but your chats will be preserved, and whenever you log in again, your chats would be safe and you can just retrieve them again. But however, if you just wish to delete your account and just get done with DeepSeek AI, so what you're going to do is click on delete account. So once you click on that, they'll ask you for confirmation that deleting your account will forfeit any unused balance and block access to all DeepSeek services. So you won't be able to use any DeepSeek services, or all of your memory would be wiped away. So you can just click on delete, and after that your account would be scheduled for deletion, and then DeepSeek AI will delete your account permanently. So that was basically how you can delete your DeepSeek AI account. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.